G'day all, today I've got a SteamCo engine. I've only run this one a few times, and I'm looking in my logbook, I haven't run it since 2016. So today's the day to run it. I've modified the burner. I've made up a silver soldered small brass insert in there, so I can just put hand sanitizer, simple easy hand sanitizer in. Anyway, we'll put some water in the boiler. Fill the boiler up till it overflows. Okay. Yep. Get ready to close this off when it overflows. Must be getting close. There we go, turn that off. Put the water pump back in. Okay. Just got to water overflow, one in, and put the pressure relief valve in. A bit hard to tighten in here just to get your fingers in. There's not a lot of working space. Okay, it's nearly in. 2 more turns. Yep, that's in. Okay, fill this up. Looks like a good amount. Get the burner, light this. Yep, bit hard to see. No. Yep, that's definitely well alight. Put that in. Okay, give that a little bit of a time, and I'll come back when that's coming up to boil. It's been a few minutes. It should be getting close to coming up to boil. I'll just show you this here. On the little SteamCo, it's got this tube that's coming off from the oscillator there, goes down and into the chimney. It did come with that little spigot that comes off there, and I added a extra copper pipe and goes into that little copper bucket just to get the overflow. But it's not a bad system there that they've built into these SteamCos. I'm not sure if the company's still operating here in Australia, but they were popular. They made 2 models, this is the 04 model. They made this and a smaller one. This is the most ornate looking one, but it is a very nice engine. A fair bit of heat comes off that hand sanitizer. There's a fair bit of alcohol in it. No wonder they try and drink the stuff in prisons I've read. Oh, it's still not coming up to steam. I'll try and keep, oh, that's hot, can't leave my finger on there. I'm going to run the Jensen Workshop again. I've got my belt nice and straight and it's on. Just move this around to the right position for the drill press. Here's the engine from the other side. They are a really nice engine. Nice and ornate with the fence going around. That's a nice little idea that they've incorporated there to take that overflow plug off and on. Come on, must be getting close. No, still can't see any water, steam trying to evaporate, get out of there. Okay, I won't bore you to tears, I'll be back in another minute or so. Back again. I can definitely hear it starting to boil in there now, so I'm pretty sure this is going to go. Yep, there we go. Nice to see a working chimney on a model steam engine. It's certainly going like the clappers now. There we have a SteamCo STC 04 steam engine. That hand sanitizer, it starts to boil and it gives off a lot more heat, and then the bubbles will break down and the heat varies a little bit. So I think that causes it to make engines run faster and then a little bit slower. But besides that, it's not a bad fuel. Smells nice. Cheap. And of course, with the COVID pandemic, you can buy bloody hand sanitizer anywhere. So that fuel's almost burnt. Yep, it's empty. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.